Hey everyone, it's Brie Halo here, and this is my Alice makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video, music used will be listed at the end of the video, and the contacts that I have in today will be listed in the description. So to start off with, I'll be covering any necessary areas with my concealer and blending that into my skin. Then I'm using a blend of liquid foundation with some moisturiser, about 2/3 foundation to 1/3 moisturiser, and I'm blending that all over my face and down my neck as well. I like to blend it into my skin more than have a whole layer of colour on top of my skin. And to set it all, I'm using a powder foundation and powdering all over the top. Then I'm gently contouring my face, just going around my jawline, my cheeks, and on the sides of my forehead. I'm not wanting too much of a really harsh contour, just something gentle and more subtle. And then along the sides of my cheeks, I am applying blush and roughly blending that out. Next, I'm priming my eyes with my favourite primer. It's this white glittery one from NYX. And then over on my lids, I'm using a light red eyeshadow. It's quite glittery, this one as well. And I'm applying that all over my lid and just above my crease as well. And I'm building it up in layers so that it creates more of a smoother contrast to the red I'll be using next. Then I'll be taking my red eyeshadow and applying that heavily onto my lid and concentrating it really close to my lash line. And then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm just blending that directly underneath my eye. Then I'm using my favourite eyeliner and I'm applying that to both my upper and lower waterlines. Then I'm using a cream eyeliner and I'm applying it in a sort of thin bar shape to both of my eyes, just concentrating it on the upper lid. Once I've lined it, I'm applying a matte black eyeshadow over the top just to set it and kind of make it last a little bit longer throughout the day. Then I'm using that same black eyeshadow and I'm filling in both of my brows. And with whatever's left on my brush, I'm blending that directly underneath my eyes. And taking my favourite mascara, I'm applying that to both my upper and lower lashes. And on my upper lashes, I'm using my eyelash curler just to give it a bit more shape and volume. And then for my lips, I'm just using a metallic pink lipstick and am applying that to both the top and lower lips. Hope everyone enjoys this one, and make sure to leave it a like if you do, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, tap the notification bell so you're always notified when I upload a new makeup tutorial, and over the next few months I should be uploading quite a few new ones as well. And I'll see you guys all in the next one.